The Novus B8FC Power on Demand model is a professional flat clinch stapler. Assisted by a gear mechanism, the folding handle's leverage reduces stapling effort by over 70% compared with stapling using a standard stapler. 50 sheets of paper can be stapled with incredible ease. This stapler can also be used for stapling in the normal way. The bypass system prevents the staple ends from overlapping. This means you can use the Novus 24/8 DIN Super Staple for stapling 2 to 50 sheets of paper. There is no need to change the size of staples. The stapler also uses the flat clinch stapling system. Here, the staples are bent over and pressed flat against the back of the paper stack. The staple ends are not left arched as they are with a conventional stapler. This system increases the capacity of binders by an astonishing 30% or more. And when staples run out, the press button loading system provides you with even more convenience. By pressing a button at the rear of the stapler, the staple channel automatically springs forward for refilling. 3 rows of staples can now be inserted from above, all very easily.